Welcome students on online class to learn the subject physics. So today we have learned logarithmic and mathematical tables. Today we have seen anti-logarithm. For finding anti-logarithm after decimal point 4 digits are given. So the first 2 digits are seen in vertical column. Then third digit is seen in third column or third row. Third row, 3 is given in row and that third column. And fourth digit is in mean difference, which should be add in the column. Then write 4 digits such that decimal point is given after the first digit. Multiply 10 to the power before decimal point. Example: this rule is seen but we have not understand. If we can understand, so here antilog of 2.3456, 0.34 they are the first 2 digit, 5 will be third digit and 6 will be fourth digit in mean difference. So first of all, how this 2.216 into 10 raised to 2 is formed. Okay. See here, the rule is after decimal point first 2 digits are seen in vertical column of anti-logarithm. See here, this is logarithm and this is anti-logarithm. In this anti-logarithm, point starts in first column. It will be 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05 up to 0.99. Okay. Then we have seen in row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means third digit in 0 to 9 and fourth digit in 1 to 9. That is mean difference. Mean difference is added to that third digits. Okay. So our numerical is antilog of 0.3456. Okay. So first 0.34. See here, for see here 0.34 in 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here in 6 3 is there, 3 and 13 it will be 16. So we can written as 2.216 into 10 to the power 2. Why this 2 is there? Because see here, before decimal point 2 is given. Second example, antilog. We want to find antilog of 0.4872. After decimal point 48, the 2 digits are there, 7 third digit and 2 is in mean difference. So that we are seeing 48.48 in 7, that is 3069, and 2 is in mean difference. So this 1 is added, that is 3070. So our answer will be 3.070, but we cannot write 10 to the power 0. Why? Because we know that any number whose power will be 0, the number which has power 0, its value will be 1. So 3.07 into 10 raised to 0 means 1. So we can written as 3.070. Similarly, if the third digit is given, that is minus 3 bar 3.6458, we want to find antilog of bar 3.6458. Whatever its antilog will be, we can see here. Point 64, 5 and 8. Okay, this 8 is adding in 16, that is 24. So it is 4.424. So our answer will be 4.424 into 10 to the power this minus 3, and this minus 3 is given here. So we can find out antilog. Okay, again a small assignment is given for the student who practice to find the antilog of following numbers. See here, these are the powers for 10. 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power 0, and lastly 10 to the power 6. I give you a clue, a hint. You can determine the antilog. So first two digit will be 0.43, third digit will be 2, and 9 will be mean difference. If we can find out the antilog, so you are perfect to see log and antilog, to find logarithm and anti-logarithm. So if these 10 examples are given to you, you can also give another examples, and these another examples you can change the values, you can change the numbers and find out their antilog by practicing, so you get a perfection. Next, for seeing these assignment, we can use logarithm and anti-logarithm for the calculations. If calculations are given, solve the numericals, solve the problems, they are based on the rules. See here, in logarithm we read two rules: greater than 1, less than 1, positive characteristics, negative characteristics. Then it's mantissa. For anti-logarithm we read a rule: after decimal point, first two digits are seen, third digit is seen in horizontal row, fourth digit is seen in mean difference, then we can find out 4 numbers. After writing 4 numbers, give a decimal point after one digit, first digit. multiply 10 to the power the number which is before decimal point. Either it is positive, either it is negative or 0. And here for logarithm and anti-logarithm we can use for calculation rules. Which rules? See here, number 1, log A multiplied by B, or multiplication of A and B, their logarithm. If multiplication is there, 25 multiplied by 50, we can find out by calculation, by multiplication. But here, if we can find out by using log, so what happen? Log of 25 into 5 or 50. What happen? Its rule will be log A plus log B. Its rule will be log A plus log B. Second, here B will be deleted, but we can read out log B. We can read out log B. See here, for second rule, if division is there, here multiplication, addition is there. But if division of two numbers is there, what happen? Log A upon log B equal to log of A minus log of B. So the two rules, multiplication, addition is there, division, subtraction is there. The third rule, that will be log of a number and their power. Log of x power 2, similarly log of A power B is equal to B of log A. Here all the logarithms, their base will be 10, because logarithm can start from 10. Their base will be 10. If base 10 is not given, base E is given, then for finding the base 10, 2.303 is multiplied. This will be seen in the 12th standard. Next, when calculations are come and we can solve, then we can use the base of E can conversion into base of 10. The last formula, that is here, if log A raised to B, if log of A raised to B is there, then there is a rule. That rule will be 1 upon log of B raised to A. And using these four rules, these four rules can be implemented, can be used for calculations. So you are becomes a perfect in calculations, okay, by seeing the rules for antilog, for log, both for log and antilog. When these logs of addition, log of subtraction, these here, then we can find out antilog. So your answer will be there. If we can use here, A will be 50 and B will be 20. We know that answer will be 1000. But this answer can be calculated by using logarithm. So please take some examples which are known and use the log and antilog. We can solve out. Means first we can see log of 20 plus log of 50, their characteristics, their mantissa, plus their characteristics, their mantissa. Addition them and take antilog, you get answer. Similar operation will use in this formula.